So I just ordered two 70-inch 4K HDR TVs from China. They were free on the Wish app with $2 shipping, so I paid $4. I'm Josh Smith with GottaBeMobile.com. You've probably heard about the Wish app. Basically lets you order all kinds of stuff directly from China. Some of it is verified and vetted. Other stuff is kind of like the Wild Wild West. And so a lot of times you'll see stuff, and back in April I saw this 70-inch 4K TV. The description was for a TV. It wasn't for some kind of contest, which is a pretty common scam on Wish, where you'll find a listing that looks like it's for an item, but they actually are just offering a chance at getting the item. Here are my two 70-inch 4K TVs that I paid $2 each for, direct from China. So here's the package. Obviously this isn't a TV, so let's take a look and see what we got and what kind of resolution is in this package. Oh, they're not TVs, but we got two of them. We got two GG Ball bracelets. I don't know what they're supposed to do. It looks like they are a premium band. And so we'll go ahead and take a closer look and open these up and see exactly what we got and go over what you need to do if you buy something from Wish that's not what you ordered. So here's what I got from Wish.com, the Wish shopping app, when I ordered two 70-inch 4K HDR TVs. I did not get TVs, I got two GG Ball premium band bracelets. So we're gonna unbox them and see just what we have here. There's really no English information on here. All I can see is it's good for hiking, exercising on the beach, and it looks like maybe cutting wood or, oh, fishing with a net. So that's what this is good for. So let's see, I'm hoping we got one of each color, because if not, it's gonna be pretty disappointing. Oh, it's not even the color that's on there. There's like a little squishy thing in here that feels like it could break. Let's see what's in the other one. Hoping for a better color. Nope, same color. So here we have our two GG Ball bracelets, and you can kind of see what this is. There's like a little, like this is like the cheapest plastic that I've ever seen. It looks like a oversized NyQuil that is hazardous. There's sharp edges. You wouldn't want a kid to be playing with this. I'm gonna look these up and see kind of what this GG Ball band is supposed to do. It's a premium band, by the way. Premium. It's not cheap. Even though the customs forum that sent my 4K TV GG Ball said the value for two of them was 34 cents. So premium 34 cents, 17 cents. It looks like there's a very good chance that I was pronouncing this wrong. It's not actually a GI. It's some kind of lettering, and it goes back to a .co.kr website. And as far as I can tell, these are a Summer Humming Ball Summer Bracelet Waterproof Luminous Incense, additional 3 months. So they're a slightly different design, but they basically appear to have the same thing. And it's a bracelet, and apparently this is supposed to offer some kind of incense, or it has a smell to it. Kind of reminds me of a smell that you get when you are putting on a bug spray, but kind of an outdated bug spray that's been in the back of a car for 3 or 4 years and it's past its prime. There are some that glow in the dark. I'm kind of sad that we didn't get the glow in the dark ones. That's what you get when you get a free TV on Wish.com. And oh, this one's even kind of scarier. Like, it looks like we got a little bonus. There's a little edge of another one. But basically, this is what you get when you buy a 70-inch TV on Wish, the Wish shopping app, and it's free with $2 per TV shipping. So Now I'm going to send a picture of this to Wish customer service, and hopefully they will refund my $4. And that's really all you need to do. A lot of times you don't have to ship stuff back to Wish if it's the wrong item, because the cost for you to ship it back is going to be ridiculous compared to what it costs them to ship these here. Now the seller that I bought this from, and I'll throw up the listing on the screen at some point during this video, listed a 70-inch 4K HDR TV. They had a description of a TV in there. The size of the TV didn't quite match a 70-inch. It was closer to a 55-inch TV, but for a free TV, I figured I'd chance it in the hopes that maybe we got some kind of TV. And this sold between 10,000 or 20,000 units, and so they were free. So I'm not sure what Wish charged them, but you can assume they charge anywhere from, you know, 10 to 25% of the total cost. I had to pay $2 shipping. So you figure 10,000 people paid $2 in shipping. So that's about 20,000. It could have been more because the listing was up for quite a while, and it wasn't one of these where there was a listing and it was like, oh, deep in the description you got a chance at winning something. No, this actually said it was for a TV. It showed a TV, it showed a picture of a remote. And for a while I thought I was just gonna get a universal remote, not a weird little bracelet, but that's one of the chances you take when you buy something on Wish. It all depends what you're buying. You know, keep in mind, does it sound too good to be true? If so, you're probably gonna end up with some random junk that just used up a ton of time, took up space on an airplane or a boat or whatever, and is now gonna go into a landfill. So beware when you shop on the Wish app, or you might just end up with one of these giant NyQuil bracelets.